Hello everyone, in last practical we discussed about installation of the tool burp. Now we have to install a vulnerable software in our machine. This is to test and learn about the vulnerabilities using the burp suite tool. This software is available to download in GitHub. Make sure your internet speed is good. Then follow the steps to install. Copy these commands one by one into the terminal and press enter. We have downloaded DVWA files into the machine. The second command is to make the file in an executable mode. Here the file is already in an executable mode, but still I am running this command. To install the software type /filename. It will take little time to install this tool. After installation it will ask for username and password, just press enter. Once it is installed you can access the application by typing this URL or by typing the loopback IP address followed by the DVWA, just like this. See, this is the DVWA application, that means damn vulnerable web application. We can see it have a lot of vulnerabilities on this. And these vulnerabilities are classified into low level, middle level, high level. So we can try multiple approaches on different vulnerabilities. Now we have DVWA, Foxy Proxy and Burp Suite in our machine. In the next practical we will start exploiting vulnerabilities in DVWA.